Lee's just finished cutting this amazing haircut. He's done a great job. Now, to finish the haircut off, we're going to do an amazing style. Really important. The reason why I'm brushing it towards me is so that the line of teeth on the brush can pick up the hair very easily. If the hair was forward, like that, I don't pick up the hairs really well. So it's really important when you're lifting up the hair, the airflow to be on top there. If you do it on the brush or underneath, what it does, it creates a crease in the hair, and then you have to re-wet it again to get it out. Again, take smaller sections and it will dry nicer. If you take too much hair, then it won't dry evenly, and you won't get the volume that, you know, and the smoothness that we desire. So, we're gonna have to lift up the hair and brush it out. Look at the hair dry, it goes there and it arches round. What, round? Look at that. Yeah, that is a technique, once you master, will get you this nice smooth look. So what I want you to do now is just replicate what I've shown you. Beautiful, well done, well done. Do you see you're getting a bit of tension now? Yeah. You're pulling the hair, which is what you want to do. Remember to brush the hair over when you want to move forward, yeah? You're doing great. Lift up and then get the hair flow here, that's it. That's it. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to brush it along. Yeah, and then we're going to take this bit here and get the airflow above the hairbrush, that's it. And then we're going to do a loop. We're going to go around. Beautiful. That's good. I love that. Love that a lot. Good man.